Hello guys, welcome to Joseph IT Technology Entertainer. Today I'll be showing you how to get your exact age online without any software. So first of all, I'm going to Google. As you can see, I'm typing age calculator and searching for that. And the first source that you can see, calculator.net. Simply go to that source. So my birth date is 2nd April 1991 and I'm going to enter that. Okay, and today I'm going to calculate this in this date. Okay, 16th of August, and clicking on calculate. And yes, as you can see that this calculator is showing my age. As you can see, this is the age of mine, 28 years, 4 months and 14 days. You can also see it as only months and days, and as week and days, and so on, days, hours, minutes, etc. Okay, there are two calendars too, okay, showing me the birth date and the current date. Okay, and by this way you can also calculate so many things you wish. So if I show you some more, this is the creation date of my channel. The channel I have created on 17th June 2017. So what I'm just going to calculate the age of this channel, Joseph IT. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to input this, going to age calculator again, and June 17th, (2017). Okay, calculate, and it's showing me that the age of this channel is 2 years, 1 month and 30 days, and so on the list, as you can see. And by this way you can find out the age of any person or anything easily with this awesome source or website. And I hope you really found this video useful. If you really did so, then please again don't forget to like the video, share your experience, your suggestions and more ways on the comment box, and subscribe to this channel of Joseph IT. Hope to see you in the next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.